Hi ladybugs, it's Yolanda. Welcome back to my channel, and this is another flip through of a journal that will be up for sale on my coffee page. It's also using Tim Holtz papers. It's kind of the leftovers of the long skinny journal I made. So it's a grungy one. It's as you can see, the cover. Hope you can see that. And this should be quite a quick one. So we have this little opening here. And we have this to hold oh my goodness, journal card. Get the words out, yo. Little belly band here with ephemera in there. So it's got a bit of a trifold on the cover. So we have papers in here. And then we have more papers in here. Then, let's just grab all of that. That opens there. And what have I done here? That's right. That goes there. And then we have these, like a waterfall, so you can journal on the back or put a photograph. They've all got stuff. Here's just a little window. And we got more ephemera. Like these can be cut out if you want and use them somewhere, or it can be used as a tuck spot. Just giving you ideas. And this as well can be used as a tuck spot or whatever you want to use it as. And then we have the acetate with a journal card inside. I don't think I have to pull it out. It's just a very simple, okay, I'm pulling it out halfway. I think you all recognize this gorgeous paper. I decided to finally use it up. So then this, okay, I don't remember what I did here. It goes there, that's right. It opens up here so you can put a nice photograph or journal. And we have a pocket here, a pocket here, made from vintage book page. And look at this, isn't she gorgeous? Some stickers on there. And then we have a little pocket here with a few pieces of ephemera. There we go. Just to give you an idea. That goes there, and then we have a pocket there. The journal card. This bottom piece as well, you can journal or stick a photograph there. Okay, so that all closes up, and that goes. And there we have, like, it's more or less like a 1920s journal, I suppose you could say, because you probably can't see that very clearly there. Sorry, it's the way my camera, it's this tripod thing. And then we have simple journals. This is vintage. No, it's not vintage, it's copied. Yeah, this is vintage. Just a little pocket here. What's in this pocket? Oh, it's a double pocket. It's like a pocket there and a pocket there. And then we just have the journal pages. We have this envelope with, again, ephemera that can be used in the journal, obviously. Lots of gorgeous ephemera here. Little cat, vintage page, book page, or a part of it anyway. So there's lots here for you to use in the journal. Lots and lots and lots. Bits and pieces. And then we have a journal card that I made. Not so 20s stickers on here, but still gorgeous. There's a couple more pieces in there. And you can decorate this envelope more. So this is a sort of a work in progress that you can zhuzh it up yourself. Put everything exactly where you want it. So you can see coffee dyed papers. That's the center. Yeah, this can come out, this journal as well. It's just tied into place. Then we have some more vintage papers. All of these are just vintage papers you can use throughout the journal. And then we have a second little journal here. And again, vintage pages like that one. Some stitching. Genuine vintage. Well, it's from the 73s, which is still 1973, so it's still regarded as vintage. Anything 40 years and more is vintage. And I think anything 100 years is antique. This is a faux, but it looks very authentic, but it's not. It is a faux print. And then on the back here we have this gorgeousness. Shall I lift it up a little bit just so you can see? This is acetate film roll. And again, lots of stuff for you to put in your journal. Okay, that you can use, make a tag, use that as a tuck spot. And then we have a pocket in here with an old, made to look old photograph of a man and his dog, 1922. This is copied from a postcard that I bought at a flea market. So that just flaps open, and again you can put photographs here or in here, or journal, or make it into a tuck spot, you know. And then this, how does this open now? Oh yes, it opens here. How gorgeous is that? Nice big journal card there. We have like tracing paper here for a pocket, and again more ephemera to use throughout the journal to make it your own, give it your own special style. 2 blank pages, which again I would put photographs here because this is also scrapbook paper, so it's acid free. And again more pages, stickers there to play with. So there's really a lot going on. There's a lot of extra ephemera. I mean, like, take these for instance. Let's bring this here. Just to give you an idea. You've probably already got your own. You can just use it as a decoration. 1 or 2 of them. You know, you can do that. Oh boy, maybe piece of vintage fabric, or put buttons along there. You can do it sort of halfway down the page. Doesn't have to be straight, and you can just glue it sort of down the sides and make it as a little tuck spot. Okay, so just to as I said, where was this now? This was in here. And then we have a whole lot more. Piece of paper again. You can make a collage out of this. Let's just say like so. And then you can stick this guy on top or stitch it together, and again just use it as a tuck spot. Another little piece here. You see that it's a perfume bottle with an image, and more papers to play with. So I guess you could call this and make it your own journal. And then yeah, and so you've got 2 signatures in here. No, that doesn't go there. It goes here. Close that there. So you've got a bit of a trifold going on. And this one I should oh, excuse me ladies. Suddenly, let me use this. It's more or less, this is inches, hey? Yeah, let's say 5.5 more or less. It's not 100% accurate, by 8 1/4. I should measure them, hey, before every time I do a flip through, so that you know the measurements. But you can see it's a smaller size journal. So guys, I'll put the link below for the coffee shop, and see you in the next video. Take care. Ciao.